Now, I will explain to you guys the different kind of glasses. This is what we call as glassware. Alright, so let me explain one by one. Okay, alright, let me explain the most basic one. Okay, the most basic one where we use most of it we are using is this one. What do you call this? No, this is not wine glass. This is called as water goblet. Okay, water goblet. Goblet, G-O-B-L-E-T. Okay, water goblet is used for your warm water and also cold water. For plain water only. You don't mix up with different kind of water. You don't put orange juice. You don't put Milo Ice Tabo. You don't put teh tarik inside here. Understand? This is for plain water. Alright. What do you call this? Water goblet. Okay, alright. So water goblet. This one, I'm sure you all know this one. Wine glass. Alright. So what is the difference? How do you differentiate wine glass and water goblet? The stems. This one, the stem is quite thick. This one, and thick and short. Alright. This one, thin and tall. Like models. Alright. So like models, this is where we call as wine glass. Wine glass, this is water goblet. Right. Okay, next one. This is what? What do you call this? Most of you all call juice glass. This is not juice glass. This is called as highball glass. Highball glass. H-I-G-H. Highball glass. Highball glass is used to pour your juice. Alright, any kind of cordial drinks, syrup, orange juice, everything you put inside this glass. This is called as highball glass. Okay. Next one. This one, shorter one. This is called as this is called as rock glass. R-O-C-K. Rock glass. Alright. So rock glass normally in most of the restaurants in bar they will use it for whiskey, you know, for different kind of alcoholic drinks. But for here, we use this for our mocktail. Alright, we use this one for our mocktail drinks. Okay, this is again what? What do you call this again? Rock glass. Okay, good. Alright, next one. This one. This one you all know, but that's not the real name. The real name is champagne flute. F-L-U-T-E, champagne flute. So champagne flute is for what? For you to serve champagne lah. But we don't serve alcoholic here, right? This is I just need to introduce you guys. This is called as champagne flute. Alright, clear? Champagne flute. Alright, how about this one? You all say ice cream. No, this is actually this is known as champagne saucer. Champagne saucer, S-A-U-C-E-R. Okay, champagne saucer. Or the other names is coupe champagne. In French word lah. Coupe, C-O-U-P-E, champagne. Alright, coupe champagne. You can either call coupe champagne or champagne saucer. Alright, so this is for what? For champagne also. But here you use it for desserts. You know, you put puddings, different kind of food. Alright. Okay. Last one. This one. Teh tarik. Glass. Mug. No. This is what we call as Irish coffee glass. Okay. Irish coffee glass. You know that we have Irish coffee. Normally they put inside here. Right, there's a lot more glasses in restaurants, but this is what examples that I can show you guys. But if you see any kind of other glasses, when you saw, you just come to me and say, this is what do you call this? Right? You can ask me, no worries. Okay. So far all this, you all clear? Clear. So this one is what? Water goblet. This one, wine glass, highball, rock glass, Irish coffee glass, champagne saucer or coupe champagne, and this one champagne flute. Very simple, easy, right? So now no more glass. If I say This one, what is this? This is glass. No. This one is what? This one is what? Understand? Okay? Clear?